palada Payasam mix, half a packet, 1 liter, coconut milk, some raisins, saffron in warm water, almond flakes. First, in a utensil, going to add 1 small teaspoon of desi ghee. To that, we're going to add our raisins. Now we're going to cook the raisins for the next 1 to 2 minutes. So you'll see that the raisins swell up slightly. Once the raisins are well done, you're going to add milk to the same. Now we're going to let the milk boil. To this, you're going to add 2 cups of water. And now let the milk boil. Now our milk is well done. You can see. To this, we're going to add our palada Payasam mix. I'm going to add, and now we are going to cook the same on a slow flame for the next 30 minutes. And our Payasam is well done. Now I'm going to add some water which contains saffron. So you see the color has changed completely. And give it a nice mix. Now our Payasam is ready to be served.